Coding is as individual as the way a person looks or acts. It's your personality, really. Controls engineering is the process of using the brain of a system. We have a lot of other things like structure, hydraulics, mechanical, but none of those things can really work in conjunction without controls. Controls standard is to customize every system to the customer's needs and specifications. We'll code in structured text, we'll code in ladder logic. We will go down a path depending on the system to how a machine is coded and designed from an electrical standpoint. We'll try to decide more specifically what control system we're required to use. We'll do Beckhoff, we'll do Allen Bradley, we'll do Siemens. After the power unit's been designed, then we will get into the electrical schematic design. And from there it could be done to UL 508A, which is our standard, or CE, or any type of standard that you would like. After the electrical schematic is finished, the next step is to create a controls approval. We'll also get into the functionality of the press, do this through a flow chart as well as a written out sequence of steps. These sequence of steps is really seen from the operator's perspective, the person running the system. We will send it off to the customer to get their okay, and we'll start writing the program. There are two parts of a control system really from a programming standpoint. There's the PLC, the processor, which is behind the scenes that nobody sees, which is really the brain of what makes the system run. There's also the HMI, which is what the operator sees. It's really a window into the PLC. Our machines often aren't standalone. We have to integrate with many other things, conveyors, tooling, and robots as well.
The start of my process really depends on if it's a hydraulic machine or a servo machine, and that really dictates what my programming software is going to be and what my environment's going to look like. So typically with our hydraulic presses, there is a lot more that goes into the programs. We build them from scratch. When I get a hydraulic machine come down my way, I start with the basic operations of the press, the up, down, the bread and butter of all of our presses. Then from there I start working on all the add-on features like heat, chilled platens, or any kind of shuttle movement or anything like that. When I program the servo electric presses, I start with the template and then I make customizations to fit the customer's needs from there. During startup and troubleshooting, we will work with all different departments throughout the company. We do this because it helps share knowledge between the departments and helps ensure for a smooth startup. At the end of the day, we are here to ensure that the customer gets exactly what they're wanting and exactly what they're needing for their production.